So in this video I'm going to talk to you about what we do when we're faced with a graph to do. First of all, we start by thinking about our x and y axis. Now, an independent variable is the thing that we are controlling, and that is the thing we put on our x-axis along the bottom. Along the y-axis going up the top, we plot our dependent variable, because that's the thing that changed as a result of the independent variable changing. So don't forget, x-axis is your independent variable, the thing we changed to start with, and the y-axis is the dependent variable. The next thing you need to think about is scale, a regular scale. Now, when you're worrying about scales, the only thing you've got to think about is going in multiple of numbers. Are your multiples of numbers regular? So you can either go up in 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, or you can go up in 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 25, 30, 35, 40, or you could go up in tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on. So if you go up in hundreds, it'd be 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and so on. It depends what scale is most appropriate for your data. You're trying to fit in as much of your data as you can, so that you can draw a graph of it. The third thing to look for is to understand what each of those boxes mean. So the box would stand maybe for 5 if you're going up in 5s, or if you're going up in 10s, each box stands for 10, and that's the large box. Then the smaller boxes will be even smaller intervals. So if you're going up in 10s and you've got 10 boxes, small boxes in between, each box will be 1, or each box could be 2. And you need to decide and work out what each box represents. If you can do that, then you're sorted. You can label your axes. Don't forget to give each graph a title as well. So when you plot your data, you plot up where your x matches your y, and then you do a cross for line graphs, and then do a straight line through it. If you can't see a straight line pattern and you've got loads of data scattered all over the place, you're better off then getting a ruler and drawing a line of best fit. Now, line of best fit, you put your ruler and try and match up where all your data is going and try and find a pattern, and then with confidence arm it with your ruler and do a straight line through it, so that you actually look at the overall trend and pattern. So if it's a straight line graph, do a straight line right through the middle. Now the thing with a straight line graph, or graph of line of best fit, is it should match up at least 3 or 4 of the points. So try and keep your ruler accurate and try and match up to as many of the crosses as you can. Finally, the thing to think about is what the trends and patterns are, and that's what we're going to talk about in the next video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye now.